The manufacturing industry is complex, but vital to everyday life. So imagine a sudden, unplanned shutdown of your operations. For manufacturers, this is increasingly becoming a reality. 75% of cyber attacks result in a production outage. And in 43% of those outages, production stopped for more than 4 days. Estimates suggest unplanned downtime costs $50 million every year. Want to avoid becoming a statistic? With high assurance security in place, these numbers can be reduced drastically. But legacy authentication is no match for modern cyber threats. And while multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is better than a traditional password, not all MFA is equally secure. Mobile-based MFA, such as SMS, OTP, and push notification apps, are all highly susceptible to modern-day threats, like phishing, and aren't even viable in modern restricted or low connectivity areas. YubiKey has security solutions optimized for manufacturers' needs. Solutions that address today's modern cyber threats, ensure access to critical systems, and protect your supply chain. Efficiently secure your data with phishing-resistant MFA using the YubiKey, and help protect operational technologies such as industrial control systems and supervisory control and data acquisition systems. The YubiKey is a highly durable IP68 certified security key that eliminates the need for batteries or internet connectivity to securely authenticate. It's ideal for shared workstation environments, manufacturing floors, and mobile restricted areas. Proven to reduce support incidents by 92%, offer 4 times faster logins, and 0 account takeovers, YubiKeys work out of the box with more services and applications than you can imagine. Authentication of users is vital, but so is authentication between IT and OT systems, including product parts and machines. YubiKey's YubiHSM, the world's smallest hardware security module, offers uncompromised cryptographic hardware security at a fraction of the cost and with a much smaller footprint than traditional HSMs. So secure your supply chain, ensure product integrity, and safeguard all cryptographic keys and certificates for servers, applications, and other computing devices. Future-proof your authentication infrastructure and achieve compliance with cyber insurance mandates. Modern phishing-resistant authentication with high assurance security, available at scale, and an exceptional user experience. That's the YubiKey promise.